1 over r equals 1 over 0, which equals infinity. The r represents the distance from the singularity to the edge of the black hole. And when this equals 1 over 0, it means that all the space, all the laws of physics break down. To a mathematician, infinity is just a number, but to a physicist, it's a monstrosity. Over the past week or 2 weeks, we've been talking about the stuff that happened in the black hole, what is basically inside the black hole, and the other subjects we've been talking about. But today there's a couple of new things, but we're still going to go over the old things we've talked about. First thing I want to talk about is a time paradox. If they travel back in time and they killed their ancestor by accident, then they in the future wouldn't exist. This is called a time paradox. Basically, it's something that you do in the past that affects the future. I say that the world's going to end by a solar flare caused off the sun, which is going to fly straight off it, flying across the distance between the sun and Earth, and then it's going to cause a heat wave, but massive and huge, that it causes buildings to fall, kills everybody, and the only safe place will be underground. The black hole, well, that I just think it's a hole in space that sucks everything in, and when it gets to the bottom it goes explodes. Scientists haven't really discovered what happens when you go in the black hole, but they've still got beliefs of what happens. What I think happens when you get into the events horizon, you start stretching, then when you get to the bottom, the singularity starts shrinking again. I also believe, if that's not true what I've just said, that if you go into the black hole, you still stretch, but you might go into a different dimension, a different universe, or what I said earlier on, you just get crushed to pieces. Next week we're going to be talking about M theory as showed here and there. Mainly we're going to be talking about the types of M theory. I'd like to claim job seekers allowance when I'm older, or I might be a lollipop man. I've often thought about being a bus driver, but who knows.